Okay. Celebrating Charlie and Shanti's birthday. Come here, Shanti. Sit. 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 Good girl. Charlie, Shanti. Good girl. Good girl. What's this? You ready to sit? Sit down. Shanti, sit. No, it's too exciting. Come here. Shanti, that was your hat. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl, Charlie. Okay, there you go. Shanti, you need a hat. No hat, no present. Shanti, leave first. There you go. Ready? Sit, sit. There you go. Good girl. No, open presents. Open presents. Yeah, what's this? What's this? No, wrong present, Charlie. This present. Shanti, what's this? What's this? What's here? Oh. Good girls. Shanti, what's that? Good girl, Charlie. You know how to read presents. What's this? Shanti? Oh, your own big teddy bear. No, not yours. Charlie, what's that? Shanti, what's this? Yay! New teddy bear. Good girl, Charlie. I know you love ripping paper. Hey? Good? What's that? Good girl. Good girl. You don't have to take it outside. Good girl. Yay! You want your hat off too? Alright, we'll try and get a nice photo of both of you with hats on, okay? It's not funny with their hats. Good girl.